this is Dee from AutoStar of West Asheville, and today I would like to show you one of the brand new trucks that we just got in. It's a 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This is the Inferno Red. It's not a color that you see often, but it is an amazing color, especially in the sun. This is an access cab, so you can have two passengers in the back if need be. Otherwise, it would be a great work truck because it is a small V6, but it is a one-owner with very low mileage, under 40,000. It does have a bed liner, so if you need to haul anything, you don't have to worry about scratching up the interior or anything like that. The interior is one of the great things because it does have a backup camera, which is good to have, especially with a truck having a bed. You definitely want to be able to see behind you. It does have completely touch screen, which is a great upgrade. And again, like I was saying, able to carry two passengers if need be, or if you want to carry your pets with you if you're out working or traveling. This is just one of the trucks that we have in our inventory. You can come down to 285 Smokey Park Highway to see this one or many of our other trucks. Again, that is 285 Smokey Park Highway. Ask for Beatrice.